In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can turn on streamer mode here on Marvel Rivals. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. It's actually super easy to do, and you can do this in-game or outside of the game, but essentially go ahead and open up your settings and go up to this social tab up at the very top, and then just scroll down on here and you're going to see a social section. Within this social section, if you scroll down just a little bit more, you're going to see this little streaming mode section right here. From here, you can go ahead and toggle this from this little X mark to this little check mark to enable it. When streamer mode is enabled, it makes it so much harder for both teammates and enemies to identify you in-game, which is especially useful if you are streaming or recording content. If you want even more control though, go ahead and hit this little plus mark next to this advanced section, and you're going to see even more stuff that you can go ahead and do, like hiding your own name, doing a content protection, hiding other players' name, and stream delay options. And on the right hand side, you'll see a short explanation of what every single one of these is going to do as well. But that is it. Go through here, customize it however you would like, and then whenever you're done, just back out of your settings and it's going to save automatically. But that is how you can turn streamer mode on or off here in Marvel Rivals. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.